No depreciation areas post periodically in new asset accounting in SAP S/4HANA Finance, but post immediately to the general ledger. As you can see in the third column, that is GL. And if you will click on this drop down list, so you will see several options. So just remember here, for each valuation, for example, area posts in real time. So there is always just one depreciation area that posts to the general ledger in real time. For example, depreciation area 1 and depreciation area 30. And posts in real time and manages acquisition and production costs. So if you choose area posts in real time, it means it is the leading valuation. Similarly, for the parallel valuations, we choose the option area posts APC immediately and depreciation periodically. So the chart of depreciation is migrated in such a way that no areas post periodically, but all areas post immediately to the general ledger.